अगर आप सोचते हैं कि BMW और वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन दो ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनका कोई वास्ता नहीं है, वेल आई थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट फेमिलियर विद द X1 SUV। और जो गाड़ी आप मेरे साथ खड़ी देख रहे हैं ये स्टैंडर्ड X1 नहीं है, दिस इज द ऑल न्यू BMW X1 लॉन्ग व्हील बेस। तो जहां पर वो वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन की बात है, इस गाड़ी में वो और भी ज्यादा एनहांस हो गया है और इस रिव्यू में मैं आपसे उसी के बारे में बात करने वाला हूं। सो आई सजेस्ट दैट यू कीप वॉचिंग एंड गेट ऑल द एक्साइटिंग डिटेल्स अबाउट दिस न्यू टॉप सेलिंग BMW। डिजाइन की बात करें तो BMW has simply not fixed what isn't broken, because यहां पर आपको वही फ्रंट fascia देखने को मिलेगा with the adaptive LED headlamps that look really attractive with the DRLs, the big large kidney grille here in the center and the angular shapes in the bumper as well. But if you will come to the side, that is where you start seeing the special part about the 2026 X1, which is its long wheelbase. That's right, ये गाड़ी अब पहले से कहीं ज्यादा लंबी हो चुकी है, which also opens up a lot of room on the inside with the wheelbase, and that opens up more comfort and luxury for the passengers who are sitting right in the second row. And that is the USP of the 2026 model. Before I introduce you to the refreshed insides of the new X1, थोड़ी बात कर लेते हैं डिजाइन एलिमेंट्स की जो आपको देखने को मिलते हैं on the exterior. You still get a very attractive design for the 18-inch alloy wheels that you see right here. उसके अलावा you get a very brushed, stainless steel kind of a finish around the window line, and that also continues for the roof rails that you get to see here. उसके अलावा इस गाड़ी में vicinity lock unlock भी है, and the door handles here are in a semi-flushed kind of a architecture and look really nice and feel very solid to operate. Rear में भी कोई major redesign आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. You still get this sweeping rear spoiler and the entire SUV comes along in a very nice fashion. यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेगी X1 की badging and the S-Drive 18 Li, which suggests that this is the petrol SUV that we are driving today. उसके अलावा the design of the rear has been appreciated over the years of the X1, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत ही sporty, sharp and angular creases आपको देखने को मिलती हैं. एंड यहीं पर अब मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूं टू द सेकंड बेनिफिट ऑफ द 2026 लॉन्ग व्हील बेस X1, which is एक्स्ट्रा बूट स्पेस. जी हाँ, इस SUV में बूट स्पेस अब इंक्रीज हो गया है ऑफ अप टू 540 लीटर्स, एंड विद द सेकंड रो राइट डाउन यू कैन एक्सटेंड दैट बूट स्पेस टू राइट अप टिल 1700 लीटर्स. तो प्रैक्टिकलिटी में भी इंप्रूवमेंट्स हुए हैं इन द 2026 X1. अब जरा अंदर मैं आपको दिखाता हूं कि क्या इंप्रूवमेंट्स हैं. Now guys, you have to excuse my excitement because I could not resist to start my interior impression from the entire focus of this update of the 2026 X1, which is the back seat. अब मैं यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ हूँ X1 long wheelbase की back seat में, and long wheelbase I told you the car is longer, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ इंटीरियर में अब आपको बैक सीट में 108 mm ज्यादा की स्पेस मिलती है. Now that opens up a lot of room, as you will be able to see that I have amples of knee room here between me and the front seat, which is set to my height right now. For reference, that is 5'11". But the thing that is really highlighting to me is that मेरे पास यहाँ पर इतना ज्यादा knee room और space है कि it is feeling like that I'm not sitting in an X1 per se, but it could have been a car in a much higher segment as well. Comfort भी improved है, and that is because of that long wheelbase again, because BMW has ended up retuning the suspension and the chassis to an extent. So ये गाड़ी अब और ज़्यादा अच्छे से और ज़्यादा बेटर तरीके से अपने मैनरिज्म्स को कंट्रोल करके रखती है ऑन द रोड, एंड इवन व्हेन रफ पैचेस और बैड रोड पैचेस कम ओवर लाइक द वन दैट आई एम गोइंग ओवर राइट नाउ. उसके अलावा ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अ BMW प्रोडक्ट, एंड टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन बी assured of, and that is what you get to see around the cabin in the back seat as well. You've got your soft touch leather bits right on the door panels. Harman Kardon की यहाँ बैजिंग है स्पीकर्स के ऊपर. नाउ द very fun thing here is that at night, along with the ambient lighting, the Harman Kardon badges are also lit up, backlit, and that looks really nice. Everything feels solid here, and I also get access to an armrest with 2 कप होल्डर्स राइट इन द मिडिल. उसके अलावा कोई बहुत ज्यादा यहाँ पर टेक गैजेट्स आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे, बट टू ऐड टू योर कंफर्ट यू विल गेट टू सी अ पेयर ऑफ rear AC vents and a USB point C charger that will let you charge your smart devices on the go. Overall, I would say that I am pretty satisfied with the amount of space, comfort and luxury that I am feeling on the back seat of the new X1 long wheelbase, and there is no doubt कि ये अपने segment में अब ये एक एक्स्ट्रा एज लेके आता है when compared to the rivals of this SUV, and spaciousness is a department जहां पर इसके rivals अब इससे compete नहीं कर पाएंगे until and unless they follow a similar route. और उसी के साथ अब आ जाते हैं, let's talk about the kind of experience that you get on the front seats, कैसा यहाँ पर environment है, and also how the driving has changed of the X1 now that it has a long wheelbase. Well, first of all, you will find the entire dashboard and all the design elements here still the same. And that is not a bad thing because this is, in fact, BMW's top selling products. And लोग इसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं as it is, and it is a current generation model. It is not, something that is old right now. उसके अलावा of course the highlights include a curved display for the dual screens that you get for the driver information and the central touch screen right here. यहाँ पर बहुत ही एक chunky steering wheel भी आपको देखने को मिलता है. Now this is the M Sport steering wheel and it also offers you multiple functions right here on the unit itself. Apart from that, you control most of the car from this central panel that is here in the center console. Now this is a floating style panel, लगता बहुत अच्छा है, और आपकी drive modes and also audio modes के लिए buttons आपको सीधे यहीं मिल जाते हैं. You also get a very nifty storage space right here in the center for your small items. Materials की quality of course top notch है. You get soft touch surfaces all around the dashboard and the door panels here as well. एक बहुत ही अच्छे से contrasting dual tone shade में खत्म किया गया है इस इंटीरियर को, which means that I've got a mix of black surfaces, your aluminium finished surfaces, and this very nice, almost brownish red kind of color that I have for the leatherette upholstery around the entire interior. Overall, top marks for the kind of fit and finish that you get inside the X1. It truly feels like a BMW SUV, and with that, अब आ जाते हैं परफॉर्मेंस पे. Now, the SUV still gets the 1.5 liter twin turbocharged petrol engine जो standard X1 में हमने इससे पहले देखा है. But the power figure, the power output is a little higher at 156 horsepower and 230 Newton meters of torque. Now, of course, that power bump is not a very big bump compared to the other one, which was around 134 horsepower, but that is enough to compensate for the added weight that comes with the long wheelbase SUV that we are driving right now. And as I mentioned earlier when I was riding in the back seat, इस गाड़ी का सस्पेंशन एंड चैसी को भी थोड़ा रीट्यून किया गया है, जिसके वजह से it feels a little more planted right on the expressways, on highways and even in the city. खास बात X1 की ये है that BMW tells us that it has a 50-50 weight distribution, which means that although it is an SUV with 183 mm of ground clearance, इसको अगर आप pitch करेंगे और you make sudden changes in direction, the car does not feel very upset and takes it in its stride. So that makes driving the X1 a lot more fun. Of course, driving is the core fundamental around which all BMW products are built. उसके अलावा मेरे को इसमें 3 different driving modes भी मिल जाते हैं, which are personal, sport and efficient. If I just switch on the sport mode, the car suddenly becomes a lot more responsive, and I just push and it pushes me back into my seat a little bit as well, which is always a good feeling. And just like that, I was at 80 kilometers per hour. So of course, driving the X1 is going to be a effortless affair, irrespective of if you are in the city or out on the highways. And उसके अलावा the assistance is also coming from the very smooth and almost effortless 7-speed DSG gearbox that comes with the X1. So once again, wrapping it all up, no changes in terms of the driving pleasure that you used to get from the X1, but you get a bump in power. So viewers, that was our review of the 2026 BMW X1 long wheelbase. Now at the time of shooting this review, we do not know the price of this updated SUV, but I am pretty sure that it is going to be close to the existing standard model's price, which is around the ₹50 lakh mark. Now, moving forward, आपको 2026 मॉडल लॉन्ग व्हील बेस में मिलता क्या है? ओवरऑल यू गेट द सेम डिजाइन एंड फंक्शंस एंड लग्जरी एंड फीचर्स, बट नाउ विद द एडेड कंफर्ट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा लेग रूम इन द बैक सीट. उसके साथ ही मैंने आपको दिखाया था that practicality has also gone up a notch with the added amount of room in the boot space as well. Overall, I would say that भले ही ये कोई facelift ना हो, but the long wheelbase update is a considerable one and will be welcomed by BMW customers, considering that the X1 is one of the top selling BMW cars in the country. आप क्या सोचते हैं about the 2026 update to the X1? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and also maybe share it with someone who might be in the market for a new luxury SUV. Like always, do not forget to subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such automotive videos, which we work very hard to bring to you. Until next time, this is Amber Banerjee signing out.